Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po ay magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa at tawa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Paul of the Cross, priest. Do we appreciate the sacrifices of people in our life? Do we value the hardships, the sacrifices of those people who are helping us, supporting us in a day-to-day basis? My dear brothers and sisters, our readings today, we hear about blood and life. In the first reading, Saint Paul is telling us that we are united in faith in Christ Jesus. And through the shedding of the blood of Christ, we are all redeemed. We are all called to salvation. Kaya po, ipinapaalala sa atin ni San Pablo yung kahalagahan ng pag-aalay ng dugo ni Jesus para sa ating lahat. But the question is, do we even value today this sacrifice, this gift that God has given us? Sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, Jesus attacked the scribes and the Pharisees. Una sa lahat, they built monuments to the prophets who were martyred. And Jesus was telling to them, by this building of monument, they are actually telling that their ancestors murdered these prophets. Kaya po, the shedding of the blood of these martyrs can only become fruitful not in the building of the monument, but by the example that they showed to us, that they remained faithful to God despite of the threat in their lives, despite of the persecutions they receive, and despite of the impending death that they would receive in bringing God's message, God's justice to the people. Kaya po, mali yung appreciation ng mga Pariseo, ng mga Eskriba, hindi sa pagpapatayo ng monumento, kundi yung paggaya sa ipinakita ng mga propeta ang nais makita ng Diyos sa atin. Kaya po sana we come to appreciate the sacrifices, but the shedding of blood of God, of Jesus Christ, and the prophets in the gospel reading today, by imitating their examples, by living out, by practicing what they taught us, what they showed us. Sana mga kapatid, ito yung ating mapulot sa araw na ito. At kung i-apply natin sa buhay natin, tingnan natin yung mga sakripisyo ng mga tao sa ating paligid. Pahalagahan natin, at ang pagpapahalaga at papakita natin ay yung pagsasabuhay natin sa kanilang pinakita. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.